Welcome back, Harbros, to the Harbro channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. And today we have confirmation of deal of the day 9. Icon alert, icon alert. 40% off all icon wrenches. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing. And let's take a look at it. I appreciate all the Harbros. 40%. It's clear as day. 40% off all icon wrench sets. Lifetime guarantee. We got the crow's foot. Look like the regular wrench set here. The small ratcheting wrench set. And then a double flex head ratcheting wrenches. That's kind of tough to say. Icon alert. 40% off all icon wrench sets coming 12/20. That's this Saturday, 12/20. This Saturday, 40% off of all icon wrenches. And let's go ahead and take a moment to do a little bit of a deep dive just so we know what we're getting. So let's take a look. Icon, shop, icon hand tools, and we're going to click on wrenches here. 37 items. Now, Harbor Freight is known for sometimes including other items within their categories or taking some out. I believe they just did it with the Doyle sale, where it was hammers, wrenches, and pliers, but there was some strippers in there, which of course the Harbros are fans of some good strippers. But 37 items for now. We'll wait for the clickable ad to see if anything changes, and if it does, we'll update you. But let's go ahead and sort this from high to low, and of course we're starting off with the extra long professional metric double box flex ratcheting wrench set 5-piece at $230. Now these are excellent. This ratcheting wrench set is designed for extra reach and maximum torque. What we're going to do here is at least give you the price for what they'll be at 40% off. So at $230 and at 40% off, steep discount, $138, saving almost $100 on the Icon Extra Long Professional Metric double box flex head ratcheting wrench set 5-piece compared to Snap-on, already saving $600. 40% off, save almost $100. Excellent deal. Let's take a look at the next pricey ones. Your choice here of metric or SAE, both priced at $200. Now these are the Icon Professional Large reversible SAE ratcheting combination wrench sets, 7-piece. Doesn't appear like they're the extra. They don't appear to be the anti-slip, but still premium wrenches at $200. Don't necessarily need to do the math on this one, but you're going to save $80. You don't believe me? Get them for $120. $80 on the professional large reversible SAE ratcheting or the metric 7-piece. So great deal. Here we have the Icon Professional Flex Head metric ratcheting combination wrench set. This is 12-piece, also priced at $200. Available in SAE, except this would be $140. Clearly less pieces, but both flex head ratcheting combination sets, of course, 12-piece. So again, don't need to do the math there. Save $80 on the metric. And then if you happen to be going with SAE at $140, getting 40% off, getting it for $84. The SAE, again, 8-piece, but saving almost $60. And then here we have the extra long professional metric double box ratcheting wrench. These are non-flex. These are $200, so you're getting these also for $80 off, $120 with the 40% off. Excellent deal. Well, let's double check SAE and metric. And actually these for the SAE, since it is only a 7-piece set, it's priced at $150. $150. The 40% off, you're getting them for sub $100, getting them for $90. And let's keep going. Let's keep looking at some of the main heavy hitters. You got the Icon Professional Large Reversible Metric Ratcheting Combination Wrench Set, 6-piece, $200. Again, save $80 there. The anti-slip, these are going to be these are probably the ones that I would go with. $169.99, already really nice. These premium wrenches have an anti-slip technology, a groove design there on the open end for more contact points, resulting in a tighter grip and maximum torque. $169.99 for the 10-piece metric and $129 for the 7-piece SAE. And we'll start off with the SAE first, of course. $130, and you're getting 40% off. getting it down to 78 bucks, $78, saving almost, what was that, over $50, 52 bucks. And then if you're doing the metric, this is coming in at 169, although it's a shame to discount that price. 169.99, and you're getting it at 40% off, getting it down to 100, almost in $100 even, 101 bucks, about $102 for the anti-slip grip metric ratcheting combination set, a 10 piece for 100 bucks. Icon, lifetime warranty, tough deal to beat. And of course you have the non-ratcheting wrenches. This is the anti-slip for 130. Same price for both SAE and metric at 130, both 14 pieces. And at 130, 40% off, getting them for 78 bucks. Same, saving $52 for the non-ratcheting, just under 80 bucks. And then we have the professional Stubby flex head at 130, same price, get 40% off, get them for about $80. That's the 10 piece in metric. Then we have the no frills Icon Professional SAE combination wrench set, 14 piece at 120, not the anti-slip, not the ratcheting wrench, just combination wrench set, 14 piece. This is the SAE at 120, same thing, actually 120, get it 40% off, get it down to $72, almost $50 off. And then looking at the metric, also a 14 piece, also the same price, get it for $72 just for your classic wrench set from Icon. And the deals keep going. There's so many different wrenches available. The professional Stubby SAE ratcheting combination wrench set, 7 piece at 80 bucks. Save $32 there. These are pretty special, pretty unique use cases. This crowfoot wrench set fits in tight areas and grips hard to reach fasteners. That's how we like it. At 60 bucks and at 40% off, getting these for $36. That's the SAE, 36 bucks. And then the metric is also $60, but it's only 10 piece. You actually end up short 1 piece when compared to SAE, but it'll be the same savings at 40% off. You're getting these for $36. That feels like a steal of a deal. Take a flyer on those for the time that you need them. You won't regret it. It'll probably pay for itself in that one use. And then of course you got the angle open end wrench sets, both metric and SAE at 60 bucks, saving $24. You get it for 36 bucks. You got the offset and your S-shaped metric wrenches, those both at $50. And in these both cases, both for metric and at 50 bucks, you're gonna save $20. Get it for 30 bucks. And that's essentially it. We got the Stubby Professional SAE and metric, also $40. Those are at $40, saving 16 bucks. So get them for $24. These professional high torque handles, Torx key sets, we've sorted by wrenches, but don't believe these will be a part of it. But either way, let me know what the Harbros think. Wrench day is coming. Icon alert. Which ones are you going to pick up? What have you been patiently waiting for, like 50 cent? Let me know what you're going to get. Again, I appreciate everyone watching. Happy shopping. Happy Harbor freighting. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your